Hmm.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 6 of calligraphy. So, today we'll be learning the group 3 letters, and this includes all the long letters like J, Y, G, and Z. So, first one is J. So, start it from here, from the middle of this box, go up with a thin curve like this, come down with a thick curve like this, and make a turn and go up with a thin curve. Make a thin curve like this, come down with a thick curve, go up with a thin curve, and make a dot. So you have to cover 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3. Next letter is Y. So in Y you have to make U first, as we have learned before. So make a U like this first with a thick curve, go up with a thin curve, and come down with a thick line like this, and again go up with a thin curve. So first make a U like this, come down with a thick line, go up with a thin curve. Next is G. So in G you have to write O, like make a O first like this with a thin and thick curve, then go up and come down with a thick curve like this, and again turn with a thin curve. So make a O like this, go up, take a thick curve like this, and go up again with a thin curve. So last letter for today is Z. So start it from the middle of this box, go up with a thin curve, come down with a thick curve like this, again make a thick curve, and go up with a thin curve. Thin, thick, thick, and thin. So I'll be sending you a snapshot of this. Repeat on 6 lines all the letters. So this was all for your day 6. Keep practicing. Thank you.